Okay, next topic is profitability ratio. In this ratio, mainly 5 or 6 ratio is there. One first is the gross profit ratio. Second, operating profit ratio or operating ratio is there, and then net profit ratio, and last is return on investment or return on equity shares. Okay, beta. These all are beta. These all relate with the sales because the name is beta profitability ratio. It means for the calculation of this profitability ratio, we are going to merge with the trading and PLs. Okay, and taking the sales and profit from the trading and PL, and on the behalf of trading and PL, we are going to calculate these all ratios. Okay, now go for the first, and first is beta gross profit ratio is equal to GP upon revenue from operation, that is equal to sales. Okay, beta. Revenue from operation. Okay, put this value, easily to go the calculate the gross profit. Okay, tell one question. It's very easy, don't worry. The GP upon gross profit upon revenue from operation. Write down. Everyone write down. Gross profit upon revenue from operation. GP ratio is equal to gross profit upon revenue from operation. Right? Okay. Let's start my question.
Calculate the gross profit ratio from the following information. Sales, revenue from operation, 2019, 1,20,000.
1,20,000. Okay.
And 2020, 1,80,000.
It's for 19 and it's for 20.
Yes, sir.
1,80,000.
80,000.
Okay.
Gross profit for 90, 30,000.
This gross profit 30,000 and
36,000.
here 36,000. Okay. Finished?
Yes, sir.
So go for calculation. You have the gross profit and you have the same. So for first, gross profit ratio is equal to GP upon sales into beta 100, and then GP is 30,000 upon 120 into 100, then
25,000.
25%.
Yes, sir.
And for second, that 36,000 upon 180 into 100.
20%.
Yes, 20%. Okay? It's easy, beta?
Yes, sir.
Easy to calculate or not? Okay? Go for the next. And next, guess beta?
Operating ratio.
Operating ratio. It's not operating profit ratio, beta. It's the operating ratio. Okay? And then next is the operating profit ratio. Then operating ratio. Formula? Anyone remember? Operating ratio is equal to
Cost of revenue from operation.
cost of revenue from operation means sales.
Yes.
Okay? Then less operating.
No, sir. Add operating expense less operating income.
So first less operating it is the wrong.
No, sir.
Then how saying no? Less operating income and then add operating expense. Okay, beta? So cost of revenue from operation adding कर देते हैं add what? Add what?
Operating expense.
Operating expense and less beta
Operating income.
team income. Okay? Divide by
Revenue from operation.
it means sales. Okay, beta? Into 100. This clear or not? You have to remember the PL, beta. PL, trading and PL. Cost of revenue from operation. Sell minus GP are all direct expense minus closing stock, and then income we are going to add it from this side, expense we are going to less from the side. No? So just opposite, this will add and this will less, and divide by cell, that answer will come. Okay, beta? Okay, tell that question.
Calculate operating ratio from the following information. Revenue from operation.
It's the revenue from operation amount
2,60,000.
2,60,000. Okay.
Revenue from operation return.
Revenue from operation return amount of
10,000.
10,000. Next,
Cost of revenue from operation.
cost of revenue from operation amount
1,50,000.
150. It's the cost of goods sold, beta. It's the sell and it's the cost of goods sold and it's a return, sales return. Okay, next,
Selling expense 40,000.
selling expense amount beta 40. Next,
Administrative expenses 20,000.
administrative expense. These all items using in PL beta. These all what? These all the operating expense. Selling and distribution expense is the operating expense beta. And after the expense that is not directly related with the business, that is non-operating expense. Okay? We have two operating expenses. It's the cost of goods sold and it's the revenue from operation. So first we are going to calculate net revenue from operation. Net revenue from operation 260 less beta 10. What amount is coming? 250. What we got? Next, cost of goods sold and this. Both we have. We have only expense beta. We didn't have any income. Both are the expense beta. So directly put in the formula. Cost of revenue from operation beta 1,50,000. Here plus
Operating expense.
operating expense. These both are the operating expense beta. Okay? And operating expense 40 plus 20 upon sell 250. What amount is coming?
Into 100.
What amount is coming? 90 to 10 upon 20 into then
84%.
what?
84%.
84. Okay? On this way we are going to calculate. All the information is given in the question, don't worry. Only how to collect that all information and utilize for your formula, that you will do. Okay, next.
Operating profit ratio.
Okay. Again it's very easy. Operating profit upon revenue from operation. These all profitability ratio is depend with the sales. Okay, beta. Operating profit ratio. Upon sales or revenue from operation. Okay. And how to operating profit will come, beta? Anyone remember? Operating profit. Gross profit less operating expense and operating income. Right on. Operating profit is equal to gross profit and operating income less operating expense. And second formula, net profit less operating income, add operating expense. Okay beta? Second formula, net profit add operating expense less operating income. Okay beta? These both are making by the PL beta. It's not any additional formula. It's made by the PL only. Okay? Now start. Go for the question beta.
Calculate revenue profit ratio in the following cases. First, revenue from operation 6 lakh.
Okay, revenue from operation, that amount beta
6 lakh.
6 lakh. Okay, next.
Operating profit 1,20,000.
Operating profit. It's very easy. All the thing is going to be directly. Only this.
Yes sir, 3 cases there. First case.
3 cases. Okay. First case. This.
Yes sir.
Okay. Then calculate. Only put the value beta. Nothing else. Both thing is given directly. Okay. Only put the value. Then 1 lakh 20 upon
6 lakh.
into what amount is coming?
20%.
20%. Okay. Second case beta.
Revenue from operation 5 lakh.
And
Cost of revenue from operation 4 lakh. Operating expenses 20,000.
we have the operating expense and cost of revenue from operation we have. Okay. For that we are going to calculate the what? Revenue from operation, or what thing we have? One is revenue from operation. We have amount beta
5 lakh.
5 lakh, and second is
Cost of revenue from operation.
cost of revenue from operation we have
4 lakh.
4 lakh, and these two difference is what beta?
Gross profit.
Profit, na? It means we have the gross profit, and the gross profit amount is 1 lakh. Then
Operating expenses.
operating profit is equal to beta GP less operating expense, and GP is
1 lakh.
1 lakh less operating expense beta
20,000.
20,000 means
80,000.
it means you got the operating profit 80,000 and
5 lakh.
5 lakh. Then calculate 80,000 upon into what amount is coming?
16.
Finished?
Case third.
Very easy to solve it. Only keep your mind on the questions. You have the both things. GP will come, and GP will come. Then you have the formula for that. Finished? Okay, go for the case third. And third is
Revenue from operation 10 lakh.
operation 10 lakh. Okay, beta.
Gross profit 25% on sale.
Gross profit 25% on
Sale.
sell or revenue from operation. Okay.
Operating expense 70,000.
Operating expense 70.
Yes.
Okay. Then how are you going to do? Anyone want to try? Let's see. First calculate the GP. Then GP is equal to beta 25% of
10 lakh.
10 lakh
Yes sir.
upon what amount is coming? 250. Okay. Up to this came now beta. Go for that. Operating expense we have. Then operating profit is equal to
GP minus operating expense.
GP minus
Operating expense.
operating expense, and GP beta
2,50,000.
minus difference,
181.
and then
Operating profit
1 lakh
83.
upon
11 lakh.
into
100.
what's coming
82%.
18. Okay, easy to calculation. Clear? Go for next and last, I think. No last. Second last.
Yes.
It's again very easy. Net profit is it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So net profit ratio means net profit upon revenue from operation. It's very easy to remember the all formula, beta. Very easy. Because just take the main head and divide by revenue from operation or sale. Okay. So then net profit ratio is equal to NP upon sales. And within sales, you will understand that is revenue from operation. Okay. Then give the any question? Fast.
From the following, calculate first net profit ratio, second operating profit ratio.
Only one thing. Okay. Net profit ratio.
First, revenue from operation 2 lakh.
It means sales 2 lakh beta. Okay.
Gross profit 75,000.
GP 75,000.
Office expenses 15,000.
Office expense 15,000.
Selling expense 26,000.
Selling expense 26,000.
Interest on debentures 5,000.
Interest on debenture. Interest on debenture.
5,000.
Okay. Finished?
Accidental losses 12,000.
Now we are going to look at what? Net profit beta. We have the GP and expense. Calculate fast.
Sir,
Net profit is equal to
left.
what?
Two
More
left.
there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Income from rent 2,500.
Income from
Rent
rent amount
2,500.
2,500 and
Commission received 2,000.
2,000. Now you are going to calculate net profit. It's very easy. Calculate and tell me net profit, because you will remember the final account. After GP, all the expense, debit, all the income, credit, and then calculate the net profit. How much amount is going? Fast, do on copy. Tell me faster, because one more is remember remaining. Not coming. You are not able to add and less. All of you.
21,500.
That 21,500, and then going to calculate what? Net profit ratio. Net profit is 21,500 upon
2 lakh.
2 lakh into what was going? Percentage.
10.75%.
10.5%. Finished? One more is remain.
Yes.
That is
Return on investment.
return on investment. It's a new type of ratio. The return on investment, it means what amount you are going to investing or purchasing the share or anything else. On that share or investment, what amount you will going to return. So ROI, that short form is ROI. is equal to profit is equal to all things I have explained, but you are not doing. Give me the formula. Tell me fast. ROI is equal to tell anyone. ROI is equal to
Net profit before interest,
And
tax
tax.
and dividends upon capital employed.
when you are going to calculate any type of return for the shareholders, so always net profit before interest, tax and dividend. All the things, okay? Before net profit before interest, tax and dividend upon capital employed. And this capital employed is equal to what? This capital employed are assets minus outside are current liabilities. Okay, beta? Outside are current liabilities. Okay, go to calculate. One question fast.
Following is the balance sheet of tax liability.
Full balance sheet is given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will solve. Don't worry. How? I will explain it. Because balance sheet is not what to make here, beta.
Yes.
First, net profit, maybe two way net profit is given. Maybe net profit is given before this all, so directly put. If net profit is given after the charging this all, so then add this all. Okay, beta? If before, then no problem about that, because we needed before charging this all. Okay? If net profit is given and that is after charging interest, tax or dividend, so then we are going to add these all and then divide by capital employed. And for the capital employed, assets minus outside liability are assets minus current liability, or capital and fixed liabilities. We are going to add shareholder fund, equity share and non-current liabilities, that is also equal to the capital employed. Okay? Now it's finished. We are going to only solve the question on these chapters. Okay? Okay. Let's start solving.